plant exploded. It turned this utopian vision of the future into a ghost town. Over 100,000 people were immediately evacuated, never to return. The fallout zone was declared uninhabitable for the next 20,000 years. Yet, despite the radiation, there has been a remarkable recovery. Within only a decade, vegetation began to germinate in the ruined city. And as the forest re-established itself, animals began to appear. At first, it was thought that these were rare visitors.